Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you know that I'm going to show you how you can get brows like these using just a mascara. So if you guys are interested in knowing how you can create brows on fleek, how you can get brows on fleek using just a mascara, then please keep on watching.
On the screen you can see my right side's eyebrow, if you may, kinda has those empty spots and my eyebrows are really not kinda long, if you may, and the tail is very short, so that's why I like to fill in. And here are some products that I'll be using. I'll be using a brow brush and a concealer brush. Then here you see is a mascara. This mascara is from Essence, and then this concealer from Maybelline. I'll link all the products in the description, so don't forget to check it out. My first step is to brush out my brows, and I'm making sure that there are no tangles or knots in it, and just making sure it's all clean. And now I'm just diving into the mascara. I'm using my angled concealer brush, and I'm just picking up as much as product I can at once. And I'll also be showing you how you can take off the excess from the brush as well. So what you have to do is you have to just take like the back of your hand, and then you can just create a few lines, so most of the product will be at your hand. So now you can see I'm just going in from the start or the starting point of my eyebrow, and I like to work in with small and soft strokes, as you can see. And guys, please don't mind getting messy or just doing wrong strokes, because even if you do, you'll have concealer to erase it. So just do whatever you gotta do and fill in nicely. And now the third step is that I like to brush it in, so if there is any empty spot or where it needs to be filled in nicely, it will get it there. And again, just going in. And if you guys want to use the gel from the mascara again, then don't mind using the product that is at the back of your hand, or you can even take the product from the mascara. And then you can see just I'm going at the top, at the bottom, everywhere, and the last part is to just brush it out. So I'm just going to quickly show you on the right side as well, and you can see how quickly the empty spot is cleaned. And I would really suggest you guys to start by creating a straight line as much as possible from the below area, or let's say the area that's above your eyelid, and the starting point of your eyebrow as well. So here I'm done, and now I'm just getting into the concealer. I'm using the same brush. I would really suggest you guys to use the brush once you have cleaned it after creating the brows. And now you can see I'm again going very softly and creating a straight line, because I think in that way you really get this amazing kind of Instagram brows kind of look, and I really like that. So I like to go straight in from the bottom, and then I'll also go at the top and create those straight line again. I really like it to be at an angle, so it really works out for me. But if you have any other techniques that you want to try, definitely go for it.
And here you have amazing brows and brows on fleek. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment your praise in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. So bye bye.